Need to replace the battery in your 2008-2016 Volvo XC70 key fob? It's a simple DIY task. These fobs use a CR232 lithium coin battery, 3 volts, 220 mAh. Common signs of a weak battery are unresponsive buttons or a reduced range. Replacing the battery maintains keyless entry, panic alarm, and trunk release functions. No reprogramming is needed. You'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. This simple replacement keeps your Volvo XC70 key fob working properly. First, locate the seam or screw on your key fob. Carefully pry it open or unscrew it, noting the internal components. Remove the old CR232 battery. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure the battery is firmly in place. Reassemble the fob securely. Test the key fob functions to confirm the new battery works. Consider using anti-static tools to prevent electrostatic discharge. Dispose of the old battery properly. Battery life averages 2 to 4 years.